Here we will draw the course of the internal carotid artery. To begin, draw the following anatomical structures: the cavernous sinus, anterior clinoid process, and optic canal. Now draw the internal carotid artery. Show that within its cervical segment, the ICA ascends from the carotid bifurcation through the carotid space to the carotid canal. In its petrous segment, it rises and passes forward within the carotid canal. In the lacerum segment, it exits the carotid canal and rises into the cavernous sinus. In the cavernous sinus segment, it rises within the cavernous sinus, passes forward through it, and then rises out of the cavernous sinus where it becomes the clinoid segment, which curves posteriorly. In the ophthalmic segment, the internal carotid artery passes posteriorly and gives off the ophthalmic artery, which traverses anteriorly through the optic canal. Lastly, within the communicating segment, the internal carotid artery rises into the suprasellar cistern and gives off the anterior choroidal and posterior communicating artery branches and bifurcates into the anterior and middle cerebral arteries. This concludes our diagram.